Tonight for supper I'm going to make sausage using my Home Geek meat grinder. I have 5 pounds of boneless pork loin center cut roast. Look at this deal. Buy one, get 2 free, and it was $4.99 a pound. That's pretty good, huh? So I still have an extra one in there. But this adds up to just about 5 pounds. And I have this backwoods kit from Lem that a lot of you have suggested to me since I got this grinder. And it has the collagen casings and the perfect seasoning mix packets inside. I just woke up from my long nap. I was hibernating today. I'm going to cut this up into cubes and start grinding. I'm going to grind it first once, and then I'm going to grind it a second time into the casings. You'll see. You'll be here. Step aside. Cubes are strips. I think if you cut them in strips, they feed themselves down better, you know, through the chute. I'm gonna use most of the fat, but just take off an excess amount there. I'll be back when I have this all sliced up. All sliced up and nowhere to go but into the Home Geek meat grinder. I have my medium grinding plate on here. First I'm gonna grind them up. Said that already. Here we go. So it feeds. See how it's going to feed itself right into there? You see? Oh yeah. Nice. Easy. I'm going to continue to grind this because it's going to take a few minutes, and you see what's going on here. See how it goes in nice strips like that? All right, I'll be back when most of it's ground up. Look how it's hardly not even making a mess on top of there because I'm feeding it in strips, like, see? And the screw inside pulls it in. And I don't, you know, it's not even making a mess. Here, we'll have to clean up the insides, of course, but that was easy too. All right, keep on grinding. I might need a bigger bowl. That was so easy. I didn't even need this tamper. Went right in, all clean. The outside anyway. Okay, Lem custom blended backwoods fresh sausage seasonings, sweet Italian. See, this comes with casings, collagen casings, and enough for 20 pounds of sausage. It says one packet does 5 pounds. There's 4 of them in here. I'm going to mix one packet with 5 ounces of water. Oh, that smells good. That's fennel, black pepper. Yeah, that's sausage. Oh, smell that. That's definitely sausage. Now, I will need a bigger bowl. I should have just ground it into there to begin with, right? Because I'm gonna mix that seasoning in through here. Whoa! Oh, really smells good. Can you see? Smells delicious. Now I'm not sure if I'm making this whole 5 pounds into casings. I might make some patties. We'll see how long of a coil I get here. I'm going to try to make a continuous coil, but you know you can twist them in about 6 inches if you want, or however you like them, to make links, or smaller or bigger. Now let me just put this tip on. I'm not worried about cleaning this right now. You know why? Because we're still using it. See? Same medium grinding plate. And don't forget, this is my first time making sausage. Now, if you had natural casings from the butcher, they'd be in a long, stringy form, and you would soak them with water. Some people say soak these, some people say don't. I'm not sure how much I'm going to use, so I don't want to waste any. But I'm going to begin at the beginning. Now remember, this is my first time using this. I'm going to grease up the nozzle a little bit with some sausage grease. You can wet it with water, but look at this. Natural, baby. One end was tied of this, and one end is open. I guess we could make, 20 feet. But since this is my first time, I'm going to try it this way. And if this doesn't seem correct or not the right size tube or whatever, I'm going to take off the length I think I want and try to make a sausage into there. You can tell me what I did wrong. This is going to be about a foot or so. Let's see. Tie the end up. You get the gist of it. These casings come in different sizes. I believe this is 32 millimeters. All right, let me get another plate or something over here. I will be needing this for this. I might need help. I don't know. I'm going to see if I'm feeding this in and holding this out. I might need help just with the pusher. Huh? Where's the pusher at?
This side. You give it a roll and you can feed the sausage and put this in.
Something like that, huh?
Yeah, sure. We can do it together.
Together, hungry together. Forward. There it comes. Oh yeah. Coming up. Out good.
Nice.
Yeah. Try to twist that? Yeah, I'm going to twist that just to show you can twist it there, see? start a new one. See? Okay, go ahead. Even though I wanted a long coil, this is gonna work. All right. Turn it off. Okay. First time. I don't mind. See, I'm learning here. Okay, I'm gonna have a good supper. That's for sure. Okay, let me get some more casing on there. I'm gonna use about half of this whole meat mixture here. And I'm sure I'm gonna learn better next time I do this. So bear with me.
Smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Good seasoning.
If you like sausage. See the fennel seeds in there, just like sausage. Yeah, I'm gonna learn better next time. Ain't I?
We always learn.
Tie that in a knot or something similar. What else is there other than a knot?
Better not.
A bow. There, now. More meat. Chunk it up, chunk it up. There we go. Okay, we got about a 16-incher out of that one. Should I keep making sausage, links or patties? How much we got left? Let's see.
We got about on top.
All right, let's grind them up, and I won't record it all. Just, you know, pretty loud for people. All right, let's see what we come up with at the end. Hang on, everybody. Here we go. This might be the last piece. I'm gonna make patties out of what's left. It's gonna be good. I still grind it in my meat grinder though, huh? Whoa, that's what I'm going to do. Let's twist that one off. Another foot we got out of it. That's gonna be good for my supper tonight. I'm gonna chill this for a few minutes while I make some patties out of what's left. Man, and I made the homemade sausage, see? I grind that pork roast and made some nice sausage. Refrigerator time. That's some without casing. I usually take my casings off anyway, huh? Let's see how it goes. How's that? I don't know how that's going to come out, but I'm going to chill that and maybe try that for breakfast. Because when I have sausage, when I buy it, I take the casings off. Huh, what do you think?
More like a size for breakfast sausage.
Yeah.
That's good.
Could have added some maple syrup in there too, huh? All right, home geek worked pretty good. Sure did.
Yeah, I like it.
I'm going to make the rest into patties, or do you want to do that since you're all greased up?
Yeah, I'll work on that.
And patties are going to be for another meal. I eat them like hamburgers then. Today I'm just gonna make myself a sausage sandwich. You want one, or you want patty, or you want zoop?
I'll try it.
What, zoop?
I'll try a sausage sandwich.
Zoop and zoodles.
Looks good. I'll make 3 of these.
With a name like meat, it's gotta be good.
This can't get any fresher.
There's a little bit left in the nozzle there. A few of you have told me to run a piece of bread through the top of there, and it cleans it out pretty good. Let's see what happens with that. I'll take your advice. Where'd it bowl? Handy tip to clean your meat grinder. Run a piece of bread through it. See what comes out. More meat. Yeah, there's a lot of meat in there. Maybe 2 pieces of bread. But look at all the meat that was in there. Huh? Alright, let's get cooking. See that? I'm gonna put this in the Copper Chef frying pan over here. That's what I want. I got some rolls. Now remember, this is my first time. And maybe I should have soaked those casings, but I watched a few instruction videos on them, and they just slid them on the tube like that. But whatever. I'm gonna like it. All right, let me let these fry up a little bit. I could put them on the grill too, but it's just an excuse. It's still only 35 degrees outside. But oh boy, back a couple minutes. I might cut them in half once they start frying. All right, I found a pepper and onion and some pizza sauce. I'm gonna fry these up a bit and put some sauce in there, and we're gonna have a nice sausage sandwich. Peppers, onions, and pizza sauce. That smells good. I'm gonna start with one. Oh, I wanted a piece of cheese. Got my cheese. What do I want to do first? First, I'm gonna put a little sauce down on the bottom of my roll. I'm gonna put my cheese down. I'm gonna put my sausage in there. I don't know if you can see much back here, but look. Ah, yeah. I could have grilled them, but look. Wow. What do you think, everybody? Remember, from this to this? Homemade! First time, remember. I might have made a mistake or two, I don't know, but how could I have? I got a sausage sandwich in front of me. Woo! What was that, pepper? The meat. Hot stuff. Oh. Oh, the cheese is now melted. Wow, I did it. I'm getting my apron dirty, and I'm glad. Because that means I'm a chef. You ever see Wolfgang's apron? It's like you got it at the thrift store. This is how we have fun in these kitchens. Thanks for watching. I love that meat grinder from Home Geek and the Backwoods sausage kit and the finished product. Look at the cheese coming over there. Ah. All right. Delicious. I'll talk to you later. I gotta clean up.